Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create multiple users on Windows 11. Let's get started. So if you want to use a second user or create a guest account for someone else, you can do this in just a few seconds. So for that, first of all, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the search bar and then search for Control Panel. Open it up. In the top, make sure View By is set to large icons. Then simply select User Account. Now click on Manage Another Account and then tap on Add a New User in PC Settings. Just like that, tap on Add Account and you will be asked how this person could sign in. If you want to use Microsoft account, you can enter the email address here. But if you prefer to create a simple guest or local account, click on I don't have this person sign in information. On the next screen, you can click on Add a user without Microsoft account. After that, simply type in the username. You can choose to add password or leave it blank if you want the account to have no password, then click on next again. As you can see, the new person account has now been created. That's it, you have successfully created a second user account on Windows 11 computer. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.